There are hundreds of ways to shoot a video with DSLR. What I'm going to tell you is a simple way with the most handy tools. This pistol grip has a wide rubber platform that prevents the DSLR from slipping when it is mounted. To start with, unscrew the metal insert below the handle to reveal the 1/4-inch screw hole. You can find a 1/4-inch female thread at one end of the magic arm that will be screwed to the handle. Now, grab your camera and fix the handle to the camera's tripod mount. Let's look at the magic arm again. There's a horseshoe adapter at the other end. Unscrew the horseshoe adapter. Mount it to the Manfrotto LED light panel and fix the light panel to the pistol grip. Next, fix this piece of gear to the magic arm. There you go, LED light panel is now mounted to a magic arm. To complete the setup, mount the camera to the magic arm. I think most people would find this setup very handy. But handheld movies should only be regarded as one of your options in DSLR video shooting. If you're reaching out for the professional standard, you really need to shoot off a movie tripod. Press the button on the handle to take out the quick release plate. Hold the position of the screw to remove the screw cover. This is the photo movie selector. You can find the video mode and the photo mode here. This is the pan tilt lock. Look at the unlocked movement. Scroll forward to lock. Grab the sturdy handle and off you go. This gear only weighs 1.1 kg. That makes it a lot easier to handle. I guess you can try out new ways for your shooting job.